Oh, welcome to Klamath Falls. It's January 18th, 2012. We've got a lot of snow. See, that car hasn't moved since it started snowing. Looks like there's probably about 3-4 inches on it. Cars are so quiet when they ride on the snow. And it's still coming down, as you can see. And I think they've lowered how much they expect to, like, I think it said like 4 to 6 inches or something today. That should be fun. Well, 3 inches of snow, and we'll see how the sucker starts in the cold, and hopefully the battery's not dead, because the battery sucks. Woo! Started up, no problem. Woohoo, off we go.